Welcome to Psychology Credence Channel. Psychology knowledge. Relationships are like birds. If you hold tightly, they die. If you hold loosely, they fly. But if you hold with care, they remain with you forever. Stop calling it love if you cry more than you smile. Move on. Someone better is waiting to see your beautiful smile. Don't seek for the best partner, but seek for the person who makes you a better version of yourself. Stay away from people who make you feel lonely. No company is better than a bad company. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. Be careful on what you say when you are in angry mode, because people may forgive you. Remember, they won't forget what you said to them. Don't worry about what others think. Just focus on yourself and stay positive. Some people are always negative, so don't let it bother you. Some people are so important in our life, not because we enjoy their company, but because we feel so lonely in their absence. Don't beg, don't chase, don't be needy. Relax. When you relax, it'll come to you. Distance yourself from the people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, and put you down. The ones that you love the most are usually the ones that hurt you the most. The more you show your true feelings, the more people find ways to hurt you. The greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say. You cannot do difficulties in your life. Do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Never reply when you are angry. Never make a promise when you are happy. Never make a decision when you are sad. One great lesson I learned from my life: there is no market for your emotions, so never advertise your feelings. Just show your attitude. Never hate jealous people. They are jealous because they think you are better than them. Never cry for someone who hurts you. Just smile and say, "Thanks for giving me a chance to find someone better than you." Maturity comes when you stop making excuses and start making changes. Woman who wants to be with you. She is always asking you about two things: first, about your life, and second, about your business. Life is so much simpler when you stop explaining yourself to people and just do what works for you. Love is nothing without action. Trust is nothing without proof. And sorry is nothing without change. Do everything with a good heart and pure intentions, with no exceptions, and you will never be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, you subscribe this channel.